4 years old. I have one child, 2 months old, and high school graduate. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for 1 year. Take care for one child, 2 years old, and I want to go to Hong Kong to support my family, sir. And I'm willing to learn Cantonese language and willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. That's all. 1 year, 2014 to 2015. In one family, there are 7 family member. Their mother, their father, and 3 boys and 2 girls. Yes. There one boy that's small. The rest they're big. Yes, sir. No. Excuse? I can't hear. Yeah. 50 kilogram. 5'4". Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's okay because their grandmother take care of her. Ano, sir? Um, to 1 month, it's okay. 1 month homesick. It's not big. Maybe I can feel homesick, but it's okay, sir. I need money for my baby. No, 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 no. No, sir. Yes, sir, I'm sure. My grandmother. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Here in Manila. Cavite. Yes, sir. And my grandmother in my house. In Cavite. Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm willing. Sing. Sing the baby. Mother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? That's it. Yes, I know, sir. Yeah. Um, Not so hot. Uh, no, for the baby. put a little bit in my hand here. Yes, sir. Um, put water not so cold and not so hot. Then wash the body. Yes, I tried to my baby. Yes, sir. Yeah, what? Take, take up. Um, put the water not so cold and not so hot. Then um, put the water in the head. Then under the body. Then put the body wash and put the clean water and dress the baby. I'm not sure if that right procedure, but I don't know how to explain, but I know how to do it. Yes, sir. No, 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 no. I'll do it to my baby. They let they let me to they let me to bath my baby. What? Look the stomach if not good. Do like this. No, no, no. Do like this in the stomach. And then if not good the sound, put they called manzanilla. If good, they not put a sound. If good, they have no sound. If not good, they have a sound. Look the diaper. Look the diaper if it's full or not full. Uh, and if continue crying, give milk or if if uh, if it's hungry or not. Yeah, yeah. And dance and sing. I'm finished sing. Yeah. I know I have an employer, right? So, okay. That's all.